Ever struggled drilling in tight spaces with bulky, underpowered tools? I know I have. I was stuck fixing a cabinet, and my old drill just couldn't fit into those narrow corners. I needed something smaller, more powerful, and versatile. That's when I discovered the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. The compact, lightweight design instantly caught my attention. It's perfect for those tight spots where larger drills can't reach. Plus, the built-in LED light illuminated those dark corners, making it easier to see what I was doing. It was a game changer. When I ordered it, I was blown away by the 2-speed transmission, which made tasks so much smoother and more efficient. The high-performance motor delivered serious power, 300 UWO unit watts out, giving me all the strength I needed without the hassle. No more struggling to get through tough materials. What really impressed me was the ergonomic handle. After hours of use, my hands didn't ache at all. The impact driver's one-handed loading chuck made loading bits super quick and easy, saving me so much time. It was incredibly smooth, making each task feel effortless. Now I breeze through DIY projects and repairs with ease. No stress, no hassle, just efficient work. Imagine how much easier your home improvement projects could be with this powerful combo kit. Why wait? Upgrade your toolbox today with DEWALT's Ultimate Power Tool Duo. Get yours now and make your DIY tasks simpler, faster, and more enjoyable.